from my community garden today. I'm just going to put it in cold water. Let all this stuff rinse off, clean off, soak, and I'll get back at it later. Habaneros. What do they call those kind of eggplant? I know they're long, but they're called English? I don't know. Habanero, okra, jalapenos, yellow peppers, more habanero, and he said this was a Russian something wax. I don't know. Sweet and hot. I forgot what he said it's called. I think I got enough okra for a little meal. Or I'm going to pickle them. Not sure yet. Let me see. See if I can get a handful and get in here. Oh, almost dropped the basket. Got a lot of peppers. I want to do some pickling up some peppers, or canning, or however I'm going to do them. I want to make some cowboy candy, which is candied jalapeno peppers, or whatever kind of peppers you want to use. Some call it cowboy crack. And there's some chili peppers. I believe that's what those long ones are called. Not sure. Not sure. A little bit of chives. So those green ones I think I'll leave on the counter to turn red. I believe these. Oh, that's enough water. Let me just get the rest of this in here. Oh, I got a little bit of Swiss chard. A little bit of Swiss chard. Let's see. There's another pepper. Another pepper. More Swiss chard. Got plenty of peppers, that's for sure. That's what I went there for. But you know, I go there for certain things and then I come back with, a whole basket full. Yes. Almost done, y'all. Almost. Wow, I got a lot of peppers. Okay. A few more. Here's another one. What else? What else? A little bit more Swiss chard. And a few more peppers. Uh-oh. What was that dead thing? Take that out. Take that out. Peppers, peppers, and the last of the peppers. Clean these up, rinse them off quite a few times, let them dry, and do what I do. Whatever I'm going to do, I don't know yet. Num, 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 num. Isn't that beautiful? The colors are just so pretty. Okay, that's enough. Bye, y'all. Peace.